Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing you another unboxing, or just an unboxing in general. I'm not exactly going to be able to follow up from last week's unboxing, but you know, we're going to do our best to sort of, you know, impact into it. But my Supreme item, I believe, is set for probably when I put this out, so I would have waited until then, but I've already waited like 2 weeks or so on a couple of the pieces, so in the end, I've just decided that I'm going to unbox them, and yeah, there isn't much else to say except let's just get straight into it. As you can see, everything's just behind me, and yeah, that's about it. But as per norm, let me know down below whether your Supreme items have arrived, if people's dunks have arrived, because I know so many got cancelled in the end. It's unreal how many got cancelled, so let me know whether you actually ended up with yours or not. And other than that, let me know if any of your other pieces have arrived from Supreme, because I know people still haven't got like their week 1 items. So yeah, like I hope that everyone's orders have come in by now or do have like a set date for shipping. But without further ado, let's just get straight into this like streetwear. That's about it, unboxing, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, we've obviously got quite a couple of pieces to go through in the end, and I'm going to have to go through these one by one just purely because the way that the boxes like sit, all of the address details are on top, so I will just have to go through it in like a slow sort of fashion. But yeah, let's just get straight into this and just go like left to right, and yeah, that'll save sort of like the best stuff till last-ish. But yeah, let's just get straight into this. So we're gonna kick off with a piece from Palace, or a Palace restock in the end, that I picked up. And yeah, the only real reason that I actually got this was because if this is the correct item, because I already have had one of these like in the past that I always used to store things inside of, and yeah, I always thought that it was just a cool little thing. So it's a lot smaller than the other one that I have, but that's fine. That's that dealt with. So yeah, this is going to be the Palace Stella Artois stash tin. Yeah, obviously stash tins have different uses for different people, but I used to literally put everything that I had into one that I wanted to keep like safe. But yeah, there it is. And yeah, I tried for a couple of the other restocks of things that they had, but I didn't get them in the end, so yeah, it is what it is in that case. And yeah, that's about it. So let's move on to the next piece. Right, for this one, I'm just going to sit the Palace bag on top just to cover up the address details. This already has like a little cut in it, so it's not going to take me that long to like cut through. Right, now that's done, this is obviously just shipped in a bag, so it's not the safest, but here is a pair of the Air Max 1, the Clock collaboration that came out. I've just realised my box has a nice tear in it, which is nice, but this looks really cool. So I hit my personal from Nike already, but you know, why not double up, I suppose. It's actually really cool. Like, I should probably go up close with these for those who haven't seen them. I haven't seen them, so yeah, but you've got that on the inside. And then, really nice paper. Okay, that looks really cool. That's really cool, wow. I've never had a pair of the clock, like Nike pieces ever, because most of them that I've tried to go for, most that I've ordered have been cancelled, so yeah. Wow, that is a lot of detail. Oh, that's cool, that's your foot. Okay. Oh, is that what? Oh, okay. I'll go through that in a second. But yeah, if you haven't seen these, they've got almost like the same as the Supreme, where it's like this crocodile looking skin on the swoosh. But yeah, in general though, I think that the detail to them is absolutely insane, and like, honestly, they really did an amazing job with these. Like, I don't know what their price is at currently. I do realise that the material there is quite thin, but yeah, I don't know what their price is at, but they are really cool. They do just look pretty cool. So on the bottom, you've got this with a foot, and it's got numbers correlating to a different section. And then when you open this up, obviously it has numbers that then say which part correlates to what in the end. So yeah, that's actually quite cool. And yeah, if I can, I will try my best. I've just noticed there's also, is that a hole? No, that's the stuff as well that's like see-through. But if I can, I will try to hold on to both of them and have one for the personal and then just store one, because I know the 2000 and 6 Kiss of Death ones are like £500–600, and obviously a re-release isn't worth as much as the original, but you know, it's nice to hold on to something like that at the end of the day. So yeah, also got Palace sticker, so yay. Right, next up, Nike, same scenario in the end. Can I actually get a box that isn't damaged for once? You know, it would be really nice not to have a damaged box. So they've never let me down before, and it seems like they're still keeping that up, and they are not letting me down. So obviously this is another pair of the Air Max ones. Yeah, it's also got writing. Is that damaged? It is damaged actually. They've let me down. Oh well, it's just got like, well, you can see the dent. It's also got writing there, which is, I wish I knew what it said, so I'll probably look into it, to be honest. But yeah, it's the exact same thing, just the exact same thing at the end of the day. So yeah, there's nothing really to show with them, but yeah, it's cool that I've got 2 pairs of them. Personally, I think it's cool that I've got 2 pairs of them, because yeah, I never hit any clot releases, so I'm happy that I've ended up with 2 of them. But yeah, right, next up, let's go with some more Palace, because we're just flying through this. Pure strength, you know, so I'm not going to be able to. You end up getting the stuff on your hands as well, and it's just a terrible thing. These scissors have gone from cutting to like, I nearly cut myself. Okay, I give up on that. Relying on pure strength again. Right, so this is another obvious. Thought that I didn't even rip it open. This is another obvious Palace piece. So I'm going to get it out. A sticker again, the return form, which I can move, and this is going to be the Palace face mask. So yeah, obviously you can tell how long it's sat around for, since it's their face mask, but let's get it out and take a look at everything, because, so obviously, focus, obviously there's that on the inside. It says Palace filters, or for the filters, filter sleeve, and yeah, quite a different material to normal face masks, I will have to say. And then yeah, you've got all of the like filter sleeves, which I don't believe are washable in the end. So you've basically got 10 chances to wear this, and then that's it. That's your chance gone with it. So yeah, I'm probably just going to keep it, because I need another face mask at the end of the day. That's always useful nowadays to have them, and I definitely think that they're going to become a part of like the new norm, so to say, or so to speak. So yeah, it's worth holding on to like just different masks, or just having different masks in general. So yeah, right, since we're flying through this, we're already through like half the stuff. We're moving on to something that has been sent back to me. Well, it's an exchange. Not sent back to me, it's an exchange. So obviously a couple months ago I unboxed a pair of joggers that were from Willenies like merchandise, and as you probably saw at the time, they were a little bit long and big and everything, but anyway, I sent them back at the end of December. They said that they tried to deal with things between like January to the end of January. Unfortunately, with everything that's going on, it delayed a bit longer, and I ended up sending another email during February, or during just the end of February, and then in the end it arrived. So yeah, I should just be able to tear this in the end. But yeah, let's just get straight into this anyway, because well, I'm going to try them on again, because I hope that they'll fit this time, is the short summary. So yeah, I really do make a mess of trying to open packages, don't I? Like, but yeah, let's give this a take 2 of trying on and getting a pair. Obviously the box is still the same, really nice job on the box and everything. Then we open this up, same sort of stickers and things, which I just move them out of the way. It just says the same thank you, so we'll put that down. Yeah, size small this time, so let's get up, I suppose, and go back, and yeah, like shorts. So yeah, definitely this time a better fit. There's still like a bit of like length for size small, but they fit a lot better than the other ones, and yeah, they are baggy at the end of the day, or they're supposed to be like a baggy fit, so I get that. And yeah, I mean, this time around at least they are like the length for it, because like even me being like 6 feet, they were like, I had like a good like that, maybe even like that left to like drag out. So yeah, I also just noticed on the pocket it's an embroidered like thing, so yeah, that's cool. But yeah, there we go, there they are, unboxed, and now I can finally start wearing them instead of having them sit around like I have done for the past couple of weeks. So lastly, we have a raffle win, which, surprise, you know, we actually have started to get some raffle wins. How do I go about this? Now, the box is a bit sus, but there's always hope that it's all safe. But this is actually for a recent pair. Now, I've won with this place before, which you can probably see the logo, so I'm not going to say it. I've won with them before, but unfortunately last time I did have to cancel my actual win, just because of the pure fact that the last time that I had won from them, I had also won about 5 other pairs, or literally 5 other pairs of shoes, and I genuinely couldn't afford to pay this as well as going for Supreme and everything else at that point in time, because yeah, I'd won 4 pairs of Yeezys, another item I bought as well, and then Supreme, and everything was going on, and I was literally like, I can't do this. So yeah, but this time round, we're all good, you know, somehow, fortunately, we're in a better position than then. So now we can go ahead and open a win from them, which people normally say it's a myth to win from them, but you know, it's my second one, so I'll take it. I shipped something out the other day in the exact same fashion, which is great, and now they've given me bubble wrap for it, so thank you for that. But these, I really wanted a personal pairing, I really did, but unfortunately some things just don't work out, and yeah, so this is going to be a bit dusty, but that's all good. We got bubble wrap, so that's nice. But this is going to be for the recent release, I can't wait to see how these look in hand, of the Jordan 1 University Blues. I'm going to have to... Wow, okay, yeah. So let's go ahead and get these out, and yeah, I really wish I could have got a personal, like genuinely. Yeah, they're nice, they're really nice. Having a pair so small is quite funny. I've seen a lot of people also have theirs arrive with like a factory issue or like just a factory defect where their swoosh has been upside down. But yeah, there is like one scuff or bit of glue on it. But I mean, nowadays that's to be expected with most Nike releases. And yeah, they obviously come with a pair of blue laces as well as the black. But yeah, there they are. You probably see the little part just there. But yeah, they are really clean. They are really clean. I am just going to check the other one in case I do have a factory like defect on it. No, I don't. I'm safe. I'm all good. We do not have one. But yeah, that is that. Anyway, that's going to cover the video. That's the last item. There they are. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, a like would be much appreciated. Other than that, like I said, I'm probably just going to hold on to like my Nike beanie that arrives from Supreme until I have another item or two just to go alongside it, because I hate to do like one item pieces unless it's a big week like the Dunks were. I'm not really for that anymore. So yeah, but that is going to cover it. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day, and other than that, I'll see you all next time, which might be, well, you will have already seen me prior to this, but I'll see you all next time after this. So yeah, thank you, have a good day again, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.